In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up hotkeys in NinjaTrader. Now to do this, first you want to open NinjaTrader and you want to go to the tools up at the very top. From here, you want to click on hotkeys, and then in here, it's going to pop up this hotkeys window where you can go and manage and set up all the hotkeys for your NinjaTrader, okay? Now here on the left, you can see categories. They are chart, global, market analyzer, Ninja script editor, order entry, and super DOM as well. As you can see, if I click through them, there's going to be like a bunch of different hotkeys you could have. So make sure you do actually remember which ones you are using and which ones you haven't used yet. You could always come back and see what they are. And then here on the right, you can extend these kind of sections to see which hotkeys you can actually set, which are set already and which aren't. And of course, you can set any of these or change them if you want to. So to set them up, I would usually just recommend you go through all of these and see through all the categories and sections and see which ones you're actually going to be using, and then just go and set them to whatever keys you want. So to set these, you want to go and just find something. So for me, for example, these are already set. If you want to set a new one which hasn't been set yet, like for example alerts, you want to just hover over it and it's going to say click to record hotkey. So just click on that like this, and when you click on it, it's going to start recording. So just press the hotkey or the key combination on your keyboard. I'm going to do Alt-Y, for example, like this. There we go. And it's going to, of course, record that. And you can do this for everything. I'm going to do like Alt-X, for example. There we go. And then, of course, if you want to remove it, you can click on the X button here. But if you want to apply this, hit the apply button, and it's going to be applied to your NinjaTrader. And of course, you can then use it for whatever you want to do. Now, I'm actually going to remove these so I won't mess with my defaults. There we go. And then you can just scroll down and find whatever you want to set to, and it's going to allow you to do that, okay? And of course, you can then use the combo of those keys to actually show up or set some things up without you having to go through settings or click many different buttons to pop up different menus or functions. Now here, if there's set, for example, if the save chart image is set already, you could also go and click and record a hotkey and record something else, and it's going to then, of course, go and use that hotkey as the hotkey instead of the one that was default, okay? And then don't forget to hit the apply and OK buttons, and that's really all you have to know by setting up hotkeys in NinjaTrader. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.